Upon this rock, I will build my church.
Before you throw out your coffee grains, got a little trick for them. We can use these in multiple ways to help our plants out. It can be used in vermicompost as food, or it can be used as bedding. You can also add water and turn this into a liquid fertilizer. Half of the nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus are water soluble. So just take a small amount, let that sit, basically rebrew it one more time to reduce the acidity, and pour this directly onto the plant. All right, so according to a research paper by North Carolina State University in 2011 titled Vermicomposting with Spent Coffee Grounds, they did an analysis on the nutrients, and coffee grounds on average contain 2.1% nitrogen, 0.3% phosphorus, and 0.3% potassium, as well as an array of micronutrients, and can also aid in absorbing heavy metals out of the soil. They can be thrown directly into the compost bin, and also when used as a mulch layer, it deters slugs and pests from being able to lay their eggs into the soil. It also helps to neutralize odors in your garden to keep small animals and pests away. It can be also tilled into the soil to aid in aeration, water retention, drainage, and it also helps to add organic material into the soil. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic at 6.2 pH. Take your leftover scraps and you can use it in your garden. Reuse, recycle, baby. I hope I can help you enjoy yourself, fellow Cannabisians, because I know I did. I'm out. Finish my coffee.
You fuck with me, you fucking with me back.